Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a free tool from Popper to embed a Pinterest pin. Popper is an AI-powered on-site engagement platform that helps you build high-converting pop-ups, widgets, and interactive gamified experiences, like Spin the Wheel, Candy Crush, Fruit Ninja, and more, no coding needed. Now let's explore the Embed Pinterest pin. To access it, simply search on Google for Embed Pinterest Pin by Popper.ai. You can also find the link in the video description below. This tool allows you to embed individual Pinterest pins on your website with just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Copy the URL of the Pinterest pin you want to feature and paste it into the tool. Select a size to match your layout. Click the Generate button and the tool will instantly create your embed code. You'll see a live preview and embed code. Just copy the embed code and paste it into your HTML. Now let's see on the website how it looks. It's a great way to feature curated content, highlight a product pin, or bring more visual interest to your page. This tool is perfect for content creators and bloggers, e-commerce stores featuring product pins, designers and marketers adding visual content. So that's the Embed Pinterest pin, a fast, free way to bring Pinterest content to your website. Try it now, the link is in the description. If you found this tool helpful, give this video a like, share it with your team or fellow marketers, and don't forget to subscribe to Popper's channel for more powerful tools and tips. And don't forget to check out our full suite of free tools designed to help you boost engagement and conversions. See you in the next one.